What's up, that guys? 2, 2, 3. We're gonna smiling, grinding on whatever we're doing. We're starting to log off and letting Thor and that outside. Just got done letting Thor and Zara outside. Right now, have some rice. Right now, and I don't know. All kind of going to store. We're going to store first, then work. So yeah. Just got done work, now, and home. Well, I just got home from baseball. Forgot to vlog it, but you know what? I thought we were getting a game, but we didn't. So we got another suspended game. We were up 7-0, and going to the third inning. So we gotta go back to Dover sometime. Don't know when. But and I'm home now. I got to empty the dishwasher and maybe I guess clean it. I don't know. Well, I just got done with doing the dishwasher and putting the dishes, clean dishes, put them away too. Because honestly, when I do dishwasher, clean dish, I don't put in the dishwasher. I just clean by hand. Except for soda, I put in the dishwasher. And now I'm just watching the TV. Alright, guys. It's about, I don't know, 12 o'clock at night. When I got home tonight, I did not, after that dishwasher, did not do much. Went to the family room. Watch the TV, and that's about it. But I think I am going to end the vlog here, and so let's get a recap day going ahead. Say one at least. Do one do, and I played a couple game 2K. So that's for recap day. You guys did really, really appreciate. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, post notifications on. See you guys next time. Peace.